Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review the Aunulahca Heavy Duty Shelf Brackets. The Aunulahca Heavy Duty Shelf Brackets are designed for anyone looking to add strong, stylish and reliable shelving to their home or space. Priced at $28.99, these brackets are built from solid alloy steel and feature a sleek black finish that complements both modern and industrial decor styles. Each pair is engineered to hold up to 150 lbs thanks to the thick 5mm steel construction to ensure long-lasting durability. The brackets comes with all necessary mounting hardware, including heavy-duty screws and drywall anchors, allowing you to set up clean, sturdy shelves anywhere, from kitchens and bathrooms to garage and offices. The back-coated finish add a vintage industrial touch while also offering rust resistance for long-term use. Aunulahca, known for its craftsmanship and quality control, ensuring that each piece is both functional and visually appealing. Customers on Amazon rate that the brackets with good stars, praising their strong build, easy installation, and great value for the price. Many reviewers appreciate how solid and heavy-duty they feel once mounted, and the clean-made back look enhances any space. Several users specifically mention how well the brackets works in garages or utility areas. However, a few buyers note inconsistencies in the bracket being perfectly straight, and some report that the real weight capacity may vary depending on installation quality and wall type. Overall, the Aunulahca heavy-duty shelf brackets offers an excellent balance of strengths, affordability, and style. Whether you're creating a new storage in your kitchen, organizing your garage, or adding decorative shelves to your living room, these brackets provide a dependable and attractive solution that elevates both function and design. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.